Number 1. 1989 Chevrolet S10, price $7,500. This is a reliable and classic truck with 215,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck has a striking red exterior paired with a matching red interior, adding to its timeless appeal. Powered by a 4.3-liter engine and sitting on a solid wheelbase, this vehicle offers a smooth and dependable ride. The owner is open to trades and is specifically interested in classic cars and trucks, including GMC Jimmy or Chevrolet Blazer models, square body trucks, and OBS vehicles. They would also consider iconic muscle cars like Mustangs, Camaros, Firebirds, or Trans Ams, but no V6 models. Number 2. 1970 Ford F250, price $7,000. Powered by a robust 302 cubic inch, 4.9L engine, it provides a smooth and dependable driving experience. With only 64,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle has been lightly used for its age and continues to run exceptionally well. The automatic transmission ensures effortless handling, making it an enjoyable truck for cruising or light-duty tasks. The vibrant yellow exterior gives the truck a bold and eye-catching presence on the road, while the black interior provides a clean, comfortable, and timeless contrast. The interior is in excellent condition, reflecting the care and attention this vehicle has received over the years. Fueled by gasoline, the 1970 Ford F250 offers a perfect combination of classic design and practical functionality. Number 3. 1989 GMC 3500, price $8,600. This vehicle features an automatic transmission paired with a strong and capable 454 engine, delivering impressive performance and durability. With only 87,000 miles on the odometer, it has been lightly used and is in great mechanical condition, ensuring dependable operation for years to come. The truck runs on gasoline and comes with a clean title, guaranteeing no legal or mechanical issues to address. Its striking red exterior is complemented by a matching red interior, creating a bold and cohesive aesthetic. While the truck operates flawlessly, the exterior paint shows signs of wear and could benefit from a refresh to restore its full visual appeal. This 1989 GMC 3500 is a solid and trustworthy vehicle, ready to deliver reliable performance on the road or on the job. Number 4. 1991 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,000, with 261,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is powered by a dependable 305 V8 engine paired with a 700R4 transmission, delivering smooth performance and the capability to cruise effortlessly at highway speeds. The truck boasts a striking blue exterior complemented by a matching blue interior, creating a cohesive and classic look. For a vehicle of its age, it is impressively rust-free, which is a rare find for a 1991 model. In addition to its excellent mechanical condition, the truck's overall appearance and functionality make it an attractive option for enthusiasts. Whether used as a daily driver or a project vehicle, this Sierra offers a blend of reliability and vintage charm. The owner values its condition but is open to trading it for an 80s square-body Chevrolet, showing their preference for the iconic designs of that era. Number 5. 1981 Dodge Ram 1500, price $4,000. This is a well-maintained truck with a manual transmission, a white exterior, and a matching white interior. It runs on gasoline and is powered by a reliable Chrysler Slant 6 engine paired with a 3-speed transmission. Recently serviced, the truck features a new air filter, spark plugs, plug wires, rotor and cap, coil, and fuel filter. The oil and filter have also been freshly changed. While it has a minor exhaust leak, it's barely noticeable, and an extra intake/exhaust manifold with a carburetor is included with the vehicle. The truck is frequently driven into town for errands, such as picking up lumber or visiting the landfill. It steers, moves, and stops with ease, free of any concerning noises or signs of wear. The cab floors are in immaculate condition, showcasing its solid and well-preserved structure. Number 6. 1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. This is a reliable and well-maintained truck, featuring a tan exterior complemented by a matching tan interior. Powered by a strong and dependable 305 V8 engine, it has covered 146,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission, making it a smooth and easy ride. The truck runs on gasoline and boasts an exceptionally clean interior, reflecting the care it has received over the years. The air conditioning is in excellent working condition, ensuring comfort during every drive. With its combination of practicality and style, this Chevrolet 1500 is a great option for anyone looking for a dependable vehicle. Please note, no trades are being accepted for this truck. Number 7. 1987 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000, with a mileage of 85,000 miles, featuring an automatic transmission and a blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior. Powered by a 305 engine and 700R transmission, it runs and drives reliably every day, though it does have some issues that need attention. The truck emits white smoke at startup, leaks transmission fluid, and hesitates before warming up. However, the heat and air conditioning work well, providing comfort regardless of the season. One of the dual gas tanks was bypassed earlier in its life, but the lights, windows, and other electrical components remain fully operational. The owner is the truck's second caretaker and has taken steps to preserve its originality, including new seat covers ready for installation. Number 8. 1962 Chevrolet C10, price $9,000, with only 23,333 miles on the odometer. This truck features a sleek black exterior paired with a tan interior, creating an eye-catching contrast. It operates on gasoline and is equipped with a manual transmission, offering an authentic driving experience. This C10 is powered by a 350 engine paired with a Muncie 4-speed manual gearbox. It includes manual steering and brakes for a straightforward, old-school driving feel. The engine bay features aluminum valve covers and intake, billet pulleys, and an MSD distributor, complemented by Flowmaster exhaust for a bold sound. While the Holley carburetor could use some cleaning, the truck runs, drives, and stops reliably. Rust-free and in solid condition, this classic is an excellent foundation for further customization or restoration. With minimal effort, it could become a dependable daily driver or a show-worthy piece of automotive history. Number 9. 1986 Ford F250, price $7,500, with a total of 150,000 miles on the odometer. Equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission and powered by a reliable 300 inline 6-cylinder engine, it runs and drives well but is in need of some attention to bring out its full potential. The exterior is finished in white, complemented by its interior, creating a timeless and clean look. This truck uses gasoline as its fuel type and comes with a clean title. The owner is not particularly interested in trades and is looking for a cash buyer to take it off their hands. If you're ready to invest in a dependable classic, this truck is a solid choice. Number 10. 1988 GMC 1500, price $7,500, with only 61,000 miles on the odometer, featuring an automatic transmission and a striking red exterior complemented by a matching red interior. Powered by a reliable 5.7L engine, this SLE2WD model boasts impressive strength in both its motor and transmission. As a gasoline-powered vehicle, it delivers dependable performance for its age. This truck has been meticulously maintained, with no rust present on the brake lines. Recent updates include an oil change, a new battery, brand new tires, and new brakes all around. Additionally, the radiator, thermostat, alternator, and cables have been replaced, alongside a new distributor, plugs, wires, and refreshed fluids. Every feature is in perfect working order, reflecting the care and attention given to this 37-year-old classic.